engineer and chemist with a deep antipathy for war. I was educated as a chemical engineer and chemist, and I have striven to eliminate war from the world. Most of Nobel's 355 patents dealt with explosives. 2 of my 4 patents are on explosives. Among the many subjects that Nobel once listed as worthy of study by him, there are a number that I have investigated. These include not only explosives and world peace, but also chemical nomenclature, atomic structure, the interactions between atoms, blood transfusion.
It was a bestseller, and sales of vitamin C soared. Pauling's endorsement created scores of new high-dose vitamin C products, some openly acknowledging his name. Convinced he had discovered a new cure, Pauling awaited the plaudits.
I thought the medical profession would be pleased in that they would be no longer bothered by patients with the common cold, for which they didn't have any very good treatment anyway, but could concentrate on more serious illnesses. So I was astonished at the reception that I got.
Far from welcoming Pauling's theory, doctors rounded on him. The attack was launched from Harvard by Professor Frederick Stare.
Professor Pauling is a great chemist and a great American, but when you come to questions of health, he's not a physician.
Most important concept to understand in organic chemistry. We're going to use a definition that Linus Pauling gives in his book, The Nature of the Chemical Bond. So Linus Pauling says that electronegativity refers to the power of an atom in a molecule to attract electrons to itself. So if I look at a molecule, I'm going to compare 2 atoms in that molecule. I'm going to compare carbon to oxygen in terms of the electronegativity. And to do that, I need to look over here on the right at the organic periodic table, which shows the elements most commonly used in organic chemistry. And then in blue, it gives us the Pauling scale for electronegativity. So Linus Pauling actually calculated electronegativity values for the elements and put them into the table, and that allows us to compare different elements in terms of their electronegativities. For example, we are concerned with carbon, which has an electronegativity value of 2.5. And we're going to compare that to oxygen, which has an electronegativity value of 3.5. So oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. And the definition tells us that if oxygen is more electronegative, oxygen has a greater power to attract electrons to itself than carbon.